Looking for the perfect Mediterranean escape that combines luxury with authentic Greek hospitality? Let me tell you about Ikos Aria, a stunning 5-star all-inclusive resort nestled on the beautiful Halkidiki Peninsula in Greece. This relatively new gem, which opened its doors in 2020, has already established itself as one of the premier destinations for travelers seeking an exceptional holiday experience. From the moment you set foot on this pristine property, you'll understand why guests consistently rate it over 9 out of 10 across major booking platforms. The accommodations at Ikos Aria are nothing short of spectacular, offering a range of options that cater to every type of traveler. The deluxe garden view rooms, spanning approximately 40 to 45 square meters, provide a serene retreat with modern Mediterranean design elements. These spacious rooms feature either king-size beds or twin-bed configurations, complete with private balconies or terraces overlooking the resort's beautifully manicured gardens. Every room comes equipped with premium amenities including air conditioning, flat-screen televisions, well-stocked minibars, Nespresso coffee machines, complimentary high-speed Wi-Fi, personal safes, plush bathrobes, comfortable slippers, and luxury toiletries that make you feel pampered from day one. For those craving ocean views, the deluxe sea view rooms offer the same generous space and amenities but with breathtaking vistas of the Aegean Sea from your private outdoor space. The Junior Sea View Suites take luxury up a notch with approximately 55 to 60 square meters of living space, featuring separate sitting areas that are perfect for relaxing after a day of exploring or simply enjoying the stunning sea views. Families particularly love the spaciousness, as these suites can comfortably accommodate up to 3 adults or 2 adults with 2 children. For the ultimate in luxury, the one-bedroom suites with private pools offer an exclusive experience spanning 70 to 80 square meters, complete with your own private plunge pool where you can enjoy complete privacy and tranquility. The 2-bedroom family suites, at approximately 100 square meters, are perfect for larger families or groups, featuring 2 separate bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and generous living and dining areas that create a home-away-from-home atmosphere. The culinary journey at Ikos Aria is truly remarkable, with multiple dining venues that showcase both international flavors and authentic Greek cuisine. The Olive Grove restaurant stands as the crown jewel of the resort's dining scene, offering Mediterranean fine dining that elevates traditional Greek dishes with modern culinary techniques. Here, you'll discover expertly prepared fresh seafood, locally sourced vegetables, and signature Greek specialties like perfectly grilled octopus and traditional moussaka that will transport your taste buds straight to culinary heaven. The restaurant operates exclusively for dinner service from 7 in the evening until 10:30. Maintaining an elegant smart casual dress code that adds to the sophisticated dining atmosphere. The Market Restaurant provides a completely different but equally impressive experience with its international buffet concept that operates for all 3 meals of the day. This expansive dining venue accommodates approximately 250 guests and features live cooking stations where skilled chefs prepare dishes right before your eyes, extensive fresh salad bars, and an incredible dessert selection that changes daily. The casual atmosphere makes it perfect for families with children while still maintaining the high-quality standards expected at a luxury resort. For those seeking a more relaxed beachfront dining experience, the Beach Club offers light Mediterranean fare with an emphasis on fresh seafood, crisp salads, and shareable tapas-style dishes. Operating from noon until 5 in the afternoon for lunch service, with the bar remaining open until 11 at night, this venue perfectly captures the laid-back beach vacation vibe while serving expertly crafted cocktails and refreshing beverages. The main bar serves as the resort's social hub, offering an extensive selection of premium cocktails, fine wines, and top-shelf spirits from 10 in the morning until midnight, creating the perfect spot for pre-dinner drinks or late-night socializing. The pool and beach facilities at Ikos Aria are absolutely spectacular, featuring 3 distinct swimming areas that cater to different preferences and age groups. The stunning infinity pool, stretching approximately 25 meters in length, creates the illusion of seamlessly blending into the Aegean Sea horizon, providing an Instagram-worthy backdrop for your vacation photos. This architectural marvel includes a swim-up bar where you can enjoy tropical cocktails without ever leaving the water, surrounded by comfortable sun loungers and stylish shaded cabanas for those seeking respite from the Mediterranean sun. The family pool, measuring about 15 meters, offers a more intimate setting perfect for parents with young children, featuring varying depths that accommodate both confident swimmers and those still learning to navigate the water. The adults-only pool provides a tranquil sanctuary for guests seeking a more peaceful swimming experience, spanning 20 meters and offering the perfect environment for relaxation without the sounds of children playing. All pools operate from 8 in the morning until 8 in the evening during peak season, with dedicated poolside service staff ensuring that your food and beverage needs are met without you having to leave your comfortable lounger. The resort's private sandy beach stretches approximately 300 meters along the crystal-clear waters of the Aegean Sea, offering plenty of space for guests to find their perfect spot whether they prefer the excitement of water sports or the tranquility of simply soaking up the Mediterranean sun. Beach services include complimentary sun loungers, umbrellas, and towel service, while the beach bar ensures that refreshing drinks and light snacks are always within reach. Water sports enthusiasts can enjoy complimentary kayaking, paddleboarding, and snorkeling equipment, allowing them to explore the pristine waters and discover the underwater beauty of the Greek coastline. The spa and wellness facilities at Ikos Aria provide a comprehensive approach to relaxation and rejuvenation, featuring a full-service spa that offers everything from traditional massages to cutting-edge beauty treatments. The signature Greek olive oil massage incorporates locally sourced olive oil known for its therapeutic properties, providing a truly authentic wellness experience that connects you to the region's ancient traditions. Aromatherapy treatments use carefully selected essential oils to create personalized experiences that address individual needs, whether you're seeking energizing invigoration or deep relaxation. The spa facilities include modern saunas and steam rooms that help detoxify the body while promoting deep relaxation, complemented by peaceful relaxation lounges where you can unwind before or after your treatments. Professional therapists offer a wide range of services including rejuvenating facials, exfoliating body scrubs, and holistic therapies that address both physical and mental well-being. The spa operates daily from 9 in the morning until 8 in the evening, with advance booking highly recommended especially during peak season when demand for these popular services runs high. The Modern Fitness Center caters to guests who want to maintain their exercise routines while on vacation, featuring state-of-the-art cardio equipment including treadmills and stationary bikes, comprehensive free weight sections, and resistance machines that target all major muscle groups. Group fitness classes such as yoga and Pilates are offered regularly, while personal training sessions can be arranged for those seeking more individualized attention and customized workout programs. Families with children will find Ikos Aria exceptionally well-equipped to keep younger guests entertained and engaged throughout their stay. The professionally managed kids club operates daily from 9 in the morning until 6 in the evening, providing a safe and fun environment where children can participate in age-appropriate activities while parents enjoy some well-deserved relaxation time. The program includes creative arts and crafts sessions that allow children to express their creativity while creating memorable keepsakes from their Greek vacation, various sports activities that help kids stay active and make new friends, and educational games that teach them about Greek culture and history in an entertaining way. The dedicated children's area features playground equipment designed for different age groups, ensuring that both toddlers and older children can play safely and enjoyably. The resort's family-friendly approach extends throughout all facilities, with special children's menus available at all restaurants, child-safe pool areas with appropriate depths, and family suites specifically designed to accommodate parents and children comfortably. The professional staff members who work with children are trained to provide engaging activities while maintaining the highest safety standards, giving parents peace of mind while their little ones are having the time of their lives. Evening entertainment often includes family-friendly shows and cultural performances that introduce children to traditional Greek music and dance, creating educational experiences that the whole family can enjoy together. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.